what's one of the things that surprised you the most? Being from a different take, from a different output, what is one of the things that you would say that immediately made an impact to you and that you seem different?
Yeah, so one thing I noticed is the cars are in impeccable, pristine condition. A lot of people actually come here and ask me, hey John, these cars new or pre-owned? So that in itself should tell you how good these cars are well kept.
Well, and I got another question. Is there anything that you actually thought about it, fathered? Like, has it impressed you? Like,
Yeah.
the way the operation is, the way that we have so many cars on site, we're able to deliver 300 cars consistently every month. Tell me a little bit about that itself.
So I love the fact that this particular company has over 100 different lenders. So we have a lot of banks, some subprime, some prime banks that we can guarantee approval. You know what I mean? So that's a beautiful thing. Literally, is a call for everybody.
Hey, listen to me. Once again, I just want to say, welcome to the team, man.
Thank you.